Hello guys, now let me show you how to make configuration for our doorbell. Doorbell in hotel project is very important because outside each room we must have a doorbell and a panel to show the status of D&D, clean and so on. This is a very important part of smart hotel. Now let me show you how to do it. First of all, let's see the doorbell here. Because as I mentioned, let's see this again. We have a built-in doorbell channel. This one is designated for controlling the doorbell. So if you have a doorbell, you can just connect to this channel. So it means you are using this doorbell relay. And we have another way is you can see this panel. We call it doorbell panel. Actually, it has a doorbell relay too. If the doorbell is connected to this panel or any other doorbell panel, so you can use the extra doorbell. So we have two ways to do this. In my demo cases, we are using the normal way. So we are use this built-in doorbell. We are connected to the RCU doorbell channel. So I just need to enable this. And then click Save. So finished the configuration of the doorbell. And later, and for channel binding, because this one is the built-in doorbell channel, so by default, we have to enter 49. It's our engineer made it, so you just need to follow it. Enter 49 here, and if you want some on-off delay, you can enter some delay, but I don't want, so I just bind the channel 49 is fixed to be 49 if you are using this one, okay, to control the doorbell. Then click Save. So finished. And now you can use the panel to control the doorbell. Now let's take an example. So for example, we are using this panel. For example, button number 1 to control the doorbell. So and make it single on and off, and add the target. So the doorbell actually we have to control the universal switch. You can see here we have a doorbell switch. You can see you just need to select this one. Actually, it's the universal switch 20. So it's fixed to be this one, and just need to add function on. So you have to go to universal switch page and then scroll down and find this universal switch. It's called doorbell switch, and then add function on. Then click Save. You will be able to control the doorbell. So this is if you use this built-in doorbell channel, so you must follow our program because it's our engineer. When they write the program, they made this. So you just need to follow this way.